Welcome to the Optimum Design Solution. I'm Pankaj Ratnaparki. Once again, we'll start our free online course. And in this course, we are starting a new chapter that is Body in White BIW design. So, BIW is nothing but a car cabin metal structure where all the parts are get assembled. So, our agenda for this session is what is the BIW, importance of a BIW in automobile structure, manufacturing process for the BIW, how the shape of BIW is get defined, and detail engineering design activity. So you can see in this image, this is nothing but a car cabin BIW. BIW is nothing but automobile cabin structure made up of the steel panel welded or bolted together to create a load carrying structure and outer skin surfaces to give a look of an automobile which will envelop the interior parts such as seats, instrumental panel, safety system and driving controls of the car or a truck. Simply, this is a simple structure where all the exterior part also get assembled. The cabin structure is painted in a white which is a primer. Since this is nothing but a BIW, body in white. So we'll move to the next. This is a body system. So BIW fully structural body has a different kind of a system or a parts get assembled. Like in this image we can see this roof, then all the side pillars, then all the body structure are get assembled. So this system is include body structure, body closure, interior trim, exterior trim, seating system and HVAC. So this body structure like front end, body, siders, dash panel, roof assembly, then underbody at get assembled or it includes such parts. Then body closure like doors, tailgate or a trunk lid of the bonnet. Those are nothing but the body closures or exterior part. Then the interior trims like you can see this dashboard is there, then fully IP instrumental panel, then the steerings, all the controllers. So throughout fully the interior parts like HVAC system is there, seating is there. So all these parts are get assembled or the body BIW structure has a provision to mount all this part, to integrate all this part. Then like exterior trims like doors and other parts like lighting and everything. Then seats like seats are there, then rear seat, front seat, baskets, all those arrangements adjustment are get reinforced, are assembled or a get mounted on this reinforcement and HVAC system. Then next is a type of automobile bodies. As we know that different type of vehicles are there, different types of cars like sedan, SUV, pickup, hatchback, mini SUVs, then minivan, sports car, convertible, then buses are there, trucks are there, mini buses are there, 12 meter till to the 13 meters. So BIW provides or defines the shape of each vehicle. It may be a different type. So next is importance of the BIW structure. The BIW is a critical stage in the automobile manufacturing where the car body sheet metal components are welded together before painting and also before parts fitment like engine, chassis and interior assembly. Here's an overview and importance of the BIW in automobile manufacturing. So BIW provides structural integrity. It provides a structural framework to the vehicle and it ensures rigidity, crash safety and durability. Then also it provides a dimensional accuracy. So all the components which are getting assembled by using fasteners on the BIW reinforcement like doors, panels. So whatever the dimension accuracy required, the BIW structure provides. Improper BIW leads for misalignment. What if the parts are getting assembled or fitted on the structure are not able to fit properly, which leads for poor sealing. So dimensional accuracy is most important which provided by the proper BIW structure. Next is design aesthetic and aerodynamics. BIW sets the basic shape of the vehicle, aerodynamics, styling lines, and panel gaps. Next is the safety and crash worthiness. Nowadays, all automobile industry is focusing to build their vehicle more safety. Now we can see the vehicles of a Tata Motors and other OEMs also achieving the 5-star NCAP rating. So this can be achieved only by giving strengthening to the BIW. So design and all the considerations in the body structure is most important. Also, life of the vehicle or a car is completely based on the BIW structure and its quality. So next one is a type of a automobile body structure. So BIW structure has a two different types: body on a chassis and monologues design. So there are the chassis engine get mounted on a chassis, and after then body is getting assembled on a chassis. And second type, in that fully whatever the shape of a our car or a vehicle is adapted by the BIW structure, and all the components like engine and all the interior exterior part are get assembled. So we'll see body on a chassis first. So body on a chassis is also termed as a body on a frame. So basically this is the process. Firstly chassis get manufactured, then powertrain and suspension are get integrated, then wire harness piping get assembled on the chassis, then body shell fabrication it can be done separately and get dropped on the body, get assembled, then body mounting on the chassis, interior and exterior part fitting, and final inspection of the vehicle. So this is the way or a process how the body on a chassis vehicle get assembled. So in this construction the vehicle body is mounted separately on a rigid frame or a chassis. This is a traditional method, is commonly used for the manufacturing of the buses, truck, SUV and some of off-road vehicles. In the body on a chassis, the important part is a frame, chassis frame. This is a structural base of the vehicle. Normally it is a C-type of a frame or a tubular structure. It supports to fully drive pattern, suspension, fuel system and axles. Next one is a body shell. The passenger and cargo compartment is nothing but a body shell. It is built separately and bolted or integrated on the chassis. And last important part is mounting system. So we know that while running of the vehicle, lot of vibrations are coming towards the cabin, but it can be damped by using the dampers or a rubber mounts which are sandwiched in between chassis and our BIW structure or a body structure. So using of the rubber mount or a bolt attached to the body frame, it allows to damp the vibrations. So we'll move for the advantage of the body on the chassis. So there are different type of advantage of this system. In the case of a durability, we'll get a strong frame of a heavy load and rough road conditions. So this is the benefit of this chassis system body, which allows off-roading conditions, gives us strong and heavy load applications, then repairability, then flexibility and high torque capacity. So whatever the vehicles which are having higher capacity engines and purposefully designed to carry the heavy loads, so in this application body in chassis gives a beneficial to meet the requirements. Next one, like the multiple type of a body like school buses, AC coaches, cargos. So such kind of a multiple passenger carrying vehicles are also made up of a body on a chassis configuration. Then we'll move for the disadvantages. So those vehicles are somehow heavier. So if you want to design the vehicle for fuel economy, then this is somehow disadvantage category. Then poor crash energy absorption, less rapid comfort and lower fuel efficiency. And application is like commonly it is used for commercial vehicle, buses, trucks, pickup, SUV, off-road and other multi-purpose vehicles. Next one is a monocoque construction. The monocoque is a construction technique where the vehicle's body and frame are integrated into a single structure. that is bears whatever the load on the vehicle. So simply the process of this construction is stamping of the sheet metal panels, then some sub-assemble it, like floor get assembled, side body, roof, and etc. Welding and joining of these all parts, then surface treatment and painting, then assembly of a powertrain, suspension, interior, exterior parts, then quality checks and final testing, and vehicle leads get ready. So it is most commonly method used in modern cars, SUV, and electric vehicles. There are different structure integrated in the mono this construction: single integrated structure, structural reinforcement, and light materials. So thank you for watching this video. So we'll continue the remaining part in our next session, next video. So I have a humble request to be connect with us. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, and always take the benefit of this free online course. Thank you.